Hi there and welcome back to the channel. I'm David Termillion from Plomero de Santiago SRL. Today we're tackling a common problem many homeowners face: low water pressure. We've all been there, whether it's the shower that's more of a drizzle or the sink that takes forever to fill. Stick around and I'll show you how to diagnose and fix this problem quickly. Step 1. Check for clogs in fixtures. The first thing to check is your faucets and shower heads. Mineral deposits and debris can build up over time, restricting water flow. Here's how to clean them. Simply unscrew the faucet aerator or shower head, check for buildup, and clean it with a brush or vinegar. Make sure you clean or replace these regularly to avoid clogs and maintain good pressure. Step 2. Inspect the main shutoff valve. Next up, we need to check the main shutoff valve. If it's partially closed, that could be the culprit for low pressure. Simply locate your valve, usually near your water meter or main line, and make sure it's fully open. Step 3. Look for leaks. Leaks in your plumbing system can also reduce water pressure. Check around the house for signs of leaks, especially in areas like basements or near outdoor connections. If you find any leaks, it's important to fix them quickly. Leaks not only waste water but also drop your pressure significantly. Step 4. Test the pressure regulator. Many homes have a pressure regulator, which controls how much pressure is allowed into your home. If it's faulty or set too low, that's another reason for weak water flow. You can find the pressure regulator near the main water line. Consider adjusting it slightly with a wrench, but be careful. If you're unsure, it's best to contact a professional plumber to handle this. Step 5. Consider upgrading your pipes. In older homes, low pressure might be caused by outdated plumbing. Narrow, corroded pipes can restrict water flow. If this is the case in your home, you may need to upgrade to modern pipes for better water pressure. While it's a bigger investment, it can make a huge difference in the long run. To wrap things up, low water pressure can be caused by a number of factors, from clogged fixtures and leaks to faulty regulators and old pipes. By following these steps, you should be able to improve your water pressure and enjoy better flow in no time. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on home plumbing. And if you're ever in need of a professional, don't hesitate to contact us at Plomero de Santiago SRL.